I'm gonna do one more live at the mall. I'm tired. But sweet. Check this out. I think it's crazy. With the trailer to match. I'm still here, bro. I'm just wandering. Oh, you might have seen me. I might have went to go eat. I walked to Wawa earlier. Sweet. Capri Swagg. I'll do a quick walk through. Yeah, if you're still here, Dave, I'm staying on the end. Oh yeah, I went to walk to Wawa. I think I walked to Wawa around 11 or so. I was done. I didn't have breakfast, and there's only a Chinese restaurant open, so I took off. But I walked. So I was dying of heat. I think he opened it now. Look at that. Sweet. This is cool too. Somebody need to open this up. That's tough. So you can come in here and get some shoes. Or get your car fixed. This is my second live. I went on TikTok live earlier. So now I'm doing one for y'all. Yeah, yo, this is a pretty cool show. It's different. And I get mall pictures. Never had my car in the mall, you know? Look at the detail. She got heels on the top. Got the engine cover. It's fly. I like it. It's different. Yeah, man. I'm gonna slide that way. And Godzilla. Look at the interior.
Good job, kid.
Here.
It's cool. I love the colors. Big Hellboy fan right here. Harley. Miss Queen.
Babe. Hi. Yeah, regular pretzel.
I didn't even notice this was on TikTok live. I didn't notice everything in the center console. Or like on the dash. All that. What combat? So I'm gonna go around the back. Accept the car. Put that up. The Plexi's cool. Look at this wide body beast. I remember this one from a few years ago. Check that out. Put the roof. I love the fenders too, that's sweet. Different. You got wide body. A lot of wide bodies. Do this circuit loop again. They're probably gonna have all the lights on. Check that out. Got a Merritt on bags. Yeah. It's tough. A lot of cars, I'm gonna show you the trunks of this over here. This one's cool, turbo. See the back. I love these seats. And the Workmeisters. Such a good one. Sorry I'm not talking loud. I'm trying not to be too loud. I mean, we're at a mall, but still. It feels awkward. I don't know if anybody else has ever done this, but it's awkward as ever to be talking to a camera phone as you walk the mall alone. And I'm definitely introverted. I just make it seem like I ain't. Check this out right here, guys. She's clean too. I love these girls. Details. A lot of details. A lot of details. Look at even the engine cover. A lot of details. Look at that camera too. I love this thing. Yeah, hook them up. Yeah. What's up, man? You still got the other Camry too?
Yeah, it's at home.
Yeah?
I
I seen that one. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like before, I've been putting so much time into that one. I was like, I want to bring up, I don't know. Camry's fun, but this is like, I don't know, it's something different.
Something different.
Yeah.
It looks good.
I appreciate it. Yeah, I need to have it painted. So, painting for me is just,
Is it bad?
if you look at the right side, see the,
Yeah.
it's going to be all sanded down.
Most people don't. They can't tell though.
Yeah, it's just, it's
It's
painted.
because it's you. Yep. I know exactly how you feel. Anytime I stare at my car, I'm like, oh. And I'm like, all right, just go to the show.
Yeah, you always notice this.
Yeah.
So you know where it's at. So, yeah, I mean, I got a lot more to do on this car.
Looks good. How long you had it for?
December.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I got the kit for it. A lot of stuff I found pretty quick because, like, not marketplace, like the forums and stuff for these cars. People list stuff all the time. Like, I got the body kit for $1,200. It's a $4,000 body kit. It's brand new.
Wow.
He's like, yeah, I just sold the car, so it's just been sitting in my room. I was like, I'll take it. It's an artisan body kit.
Damn.
It's artisan spirits.
Yeah, you save big money. So you save big money. 1,200.
So it's fun.
Yeah.
I still gotta import some things. Like I want to do the hood emblem. So it's like small things. I can clean it up a little bit.
That is awesome.
Find stuff for that car. And then wheels. I gotta redo wheels.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like these things. This needs wheels. So on the front, I need a 19 10.5 plus 4. And that should fit plus right now. 19. Like 11 wide. And the rear. And you can still see quick fingers in there. It's a big body car. So, yeah, it's fun because you got to figure it a lot out on your own. So it's definitely different. Test your patience and your skills, honestly.
Nah, I'm sure you got something planned. It's gonna look sick.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yep. Hell yeah. All right, man. I'm gonna walk a little bit. I'll come back though.
I'll see you in a while.
Yeah, for sure. I'm just strolling. Ain't recording. Let's hit the RX-7 is clean too. Right hand drive. Right hand drive. Yo, what's good, Ed? Man, I ain't even look down at my bad, man. I ain't even look down at the screen. I was gonna make another video for YouTube, but I'm lazy. I think I'm done. I'm gonna go find a corner to sit in and drink my water. Man. Alright, so now we're gonna walk to the other half, to the food court. To the food court. Where the food at? I'm hot. I'm sweating. Too fat for this. Maybe it's good that I'm walking. Anyway. Yeah. So we're going that way. We're gonna hit the rest of the cars on that end. And I'm gonna drop some of these. I'm gonna put them on my bad. I'm gonna put these on my window so people can just take them. Cause I think we're here until 5. Yo, I like this idea. Somebody want to go on this with me? I guess this is gone, but I said this in my other video. That's a drift track. And like you just drift. Like a big drift track. You can't see it, they turn the lights off, but. And then on that side is like a playground. And then there's more playground stuff in the back, but it's too dark. It's perfect for a mall. I think this mall is a little too slow, that's all. Just keep it moving. To the other house. I want y'all to see these Incredible Hulk truck. And there's Incredible Hulk Camaro. And Captain America Dodge, which is really fly. The Rivion's pretty fly too. So you can see it's like lower, it's got wheels. It's owned by a detailer. Yo, what's up, Juan? Hey, these guys lounging. I'm jealous. No, I'm not. I'm just kidding. Check this out. Captain America. Captain America. Details though. Look at the shield. Color scheme. Doing another round.
No, I am not giving you the car. Stop asking.
Okay, I'm sorry about that. I won't ask again. Sorry, all my kids wouldn't fit here anyway. I'll get yelled at. Like, why you get this uneconomical? Got hog riding, sliding. Hog sliding. That's cool, right? Let's see the TV in the back. I don't know if I can get a angle of that. In the back. No trunk. Yeah, man. That's how I be feeling. It's crazy. The trunk on the Honda is nuts. Super clean. Just making my rounds. Super clean. I got the best seat in the house.
That's right. I just get done to bring me some popcorn out of that theater. We'll be all right.
Yeah, it was funny. It's right near there. Super crazy. All right. I can't remember. I can't remember if I started over here or not, but I'll make my round anyway. Pretty sure I showed that already. I've been moving because it's hot over here. Wide body. Back up. Wide body. Well, not the velocity. Well, that's just fine. It's clean as heck, though. And then there's my baby under the skylight. Representing. This, though, straight fire. Yeah. Let's see. Tell all the carbon. We got that. Pretty sure I showed this earlier. Mercedes. Yeah. Nuts. All right. Let's shoot down the lane. There it is. Sliding. Sliding. And that's the rim. Love this car. I'm gonna put these on my car. We'll let people take them. So, if you see the video, come grab you one. I'm trying to lay them out a little bit, but be right there. Don't like it. So, come get it. I was walking around because I'm bored to death. My homie. Make my way back around. I had to go lay in the van. If I wasn't sweating, I'd probably be there already, but it's hot. No, I got a recliner seat though, with the footrest. What? Yeah. That's why I was like, I might go lay down. I'm sleepy. It's been a long day. Nah. That's like 2%. Gotta protect the kids, man. It's hot. Made another round. This one's cool too. Kia Soul. Big TV. This one's so cool. I didn't even know they made screens that big for these. Crazy. Alright, y'all, that's it. I think I covered everything again for a second time. A lot of walking. Well, see you in the next one. All right.